The whole machine testing before loading into container. Manual feeding wet wipes bags with limit baffles ensures bags convey along center line. Surely it can be connected with the auto wet wipes packing line. Servo motor-driven automatic intelligent labeling machine with no label stop and color mark sensor labels caps. Vision system captures and positions wet wipe bags in real time, and the corresponding image is displayed on PLC HMI synchronously. Intelligent manipulator picks caps, rotates around hot melt nozzle to coat glue on cap bottom, then attaches caps to bags as per vision positioning. Finished products conveying and displaying.